Hello and welcome to Free Current Affair. Today we discuss an important organization that is BIMSTEC. Okay, BIMSTEC means Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation. Okay, why it is important? Because BIMSTEC Day is observed every year on June 6. Okay. Also, it is important for recently 17 BIMSTEC ministerial meeting was held virtually in Colombo, Sri Lanka on 1st April 2021. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar participated in this meeting. Okay. So let's discuss about BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation, is an international organization of 7 nations of South Asia and Southeast Asia. Its members lie in the littoral and adjacent area of Bay of Bengal, constituting a contiguous regional unity. The BIMSTEC member states are Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand. The countries are among the countries dependent on the Bay of Bengal. BIMSTEC shares 1.73 billion people and having a combined GDP, that is gross domestic product, of 3.8 trillion US dollar. It is also referred to as mini SAARC. SAARC means South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation. Okay. History of BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC came into being in June 6, 1997 through the Bangkok Declaration. After the Cold War, it was created. Initially, it was formed under the name of BISTC. Okay. Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Thailand Economic Cooperation. It became renamed BIMSTEC in 1997 following the inclusion of Myanmar. With the admission of Nepal and Bhutan in 2004, the name of grouping was changed to Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation. Okay. Next, what is the objective of BIMSTEC? Its primary objective is to improve connectivity between the members through multimodal transport corridors. Okay. In general, there are 14 priority sectors which cover almost all areas of cooperation such as trade, investment, transport and communication, energy, tourism, technology, fishery, agriculture, public health, poverty alleviation, counter-terrorism and transnational crime, environment and disaster management, people-to-people contact, cultural cooperation, climate change. Okay, these are the 14 priority sectors which cover almost all areas. Headquarters is at Dhaka, Bangladesh. The current Secretary General of BIMSTEC is Ambassador Tenzin Lekpal. From Bhutan, First Secretary General is Mr. Sumit Nakandala. From Sri Lanka, the BIMSTEC uses the alphabetical order for chairmanship. Okay, according to alphabetical order, the chairmanship was chosen. First Bangladesh, then Bhutan, then India, then Nepal, then Sri Lanka. Okay. Current chairmanship under Sri Lanka since 2018. Okay. Indian chairmanship was in 2008. Okay. Next we discuss two important organizations, that is ASEAN and SAARC. Okay. In BIMSTEC member, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Sri Lanka are SAARC members, whereas Myanmar, Thailand are member of the ASEAN country. Okay. ASEAN means Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Okay. This is a 10-member organization. Okay. The member of Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. Okay. ASEAN was formed on 1967. Okay, headquarters is at Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay, next is SAARC. SAARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Okay, this is a 8-member organization founded in 1985. Okay, headquarters is Dhaka, Bangladesh. No, headquarters is not Dhaka. It was founded in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, headquarters is Kathmandu, Nepal. Okay, SAARC member of are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Okay, next in this video we discuss the BIMSTEC country. Next we discuss the BIMSTEC countries prime minister and capital. Okay, first we discuss Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina, capital Dhaka. Okay, also an important things, India share longest border line with Bangladesh. Okay, that is 4096 km. Okay, next Bhutan PM Dr. Lataya Tisang. Okay, capital Thimphu. Okay, next India capital New Delhi, PM Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, Myanmar has no prime minister since it is ruled under the army. Okay, capital is Nipotha Thai. Capital is Naypyidaw. Currency is CAD. Okay. Next Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. Capital Kathmandu. Next Sri Lanka capital is Sri Jayawardene Purakotte. Okay. And PM is Gotabaya Rajapakse. Okay. Thailand capital Bangkok. Currency Thai Baht. And Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha. Okay, thank you. Kindly like, share and comment and subscribe our Free Currents YouTube channel.